This is not a hard problem, it's a smart problem. Wait till you see the final answer. It's unbelievable. Our question is square root 4 to the power 3x plus 1 by square root of 4 to the power 2x plus 1, which is equal to 2. We have to find the possible solution for x. These are both under square roots. And they both have a same base that is 4. So maybe subtract exponents. We get the 4 power 3x plus 1 minus 2x plus 1 is equal to 2. So plus 1 and minus 1 will be cancelled out and 3x minus 2x is x and 4 to the power x is equal to 2. If x is equal to 1, then 4 to the 1 is equal to 4, which is not equal to 2. So this is not the correct. First we have to clean up this nasty roots, 1 on the top and 1 on the bottom. We can rewrite this as one big square root. But how do we get rid of this square root? We have to square on both sides. This is square and 2 will be cancelled out. Then we get as 4 power 3x plus 1 by 4 power 2x plus 1, which is equal to 4. Since the bases are equal, we can subtract the exponents. Plus 1 and minus 1 will be cancelled out and 3x minus 2x is x, then we get as 4 power x is equal to 4. So if x is equal to 1, then 4 power 1 is equal to 4, then 4 is equal to 4. So possible solution for x is 1. So option A is the correct answer. So thanks for watching. Please do subscribe for more interesting maths videos.